In the peaceful countryside of southern England stands one of the world's greatest mysteries. This is Stonehenge, a giant circle of massive standing stones, some rising over 13 feet tall and weighing around 25 tons each. Built more than 4,000 years ago, it's even older than the pyramids of Giza. What makes Stonehenge so special? No one knows exactly who built it or why. Was it a temple for worship, an ancient observatory for tracking the stars, or something else entirely? Stonehenge holds its secrets tight, a riddle carved in stone. Constructed across centuries, perhaps even thousands of years, this astonishing feat of ancient engineering continues to baffle historians and scientists today. Its alignment with the sun during the solstices suggests a deep connection to astronomy, spirituality, or both. Today, Stonehenge is one of the most visited landmarks in the UK, drawing curious minds from around the globe, all eager to stand in the shadow of history and wonder. How did they build this, and why? Here's how to get there from London Heathrow Airport. Take the Heathrow Express to London Paddington Station, just 15 to 20 minutes. Then board a direct train to Salisbury, about 1.5 to 2 hours. From Salisbury, you're just a 20-minute taxi or bus ride away from Stonehenge. The full journey takes about 2.5 to 3.5 hours, so plan. Where to stay? Salisbury, closest to Stonehenge, packed with charm and convenience. Andover, a larger town with more choices and nearby attractions. Warminster, for countryside views and a peaceful escape. Shaftesbury, a scenic, historic town, perfect for a tranquil stay. Bath, famous for Roman baths and Georgian elegance. Bournemouth, want to mix ancient mystery with a beach holiday? This vibrant seaside town is just 40 miles away. US citizens don't need a visa for short visits to the UK. Others should check their country's requirements before traveling. Whether you're drawn by its history, its mystery, or simply the awe of standing before something so ancient, Stonehenge will leave you wondering and remembering. Visit the place where history, legend, and the stars align.